help me, please.
Woman's World gives you two examples of the transformations which can be achieved by making the most of the scientific magic of cosmetics. You can see how a typical business girl and typical housewife have achieved this transformation by using the right hairstyles, the right makeup, and the right clothes. No one can say what the pictures on these pages show in startling detail. The people photographed are real and looked before, exactly as the portraits depict them. Two nice people, each one resigned to what she thought she was, with no thought for what she could be. You will find in Woman's World everything you need to know to make the most of yourself, and a very comprehensive section will supply you with information on how to select and apply makeup. You will find in Woman's World everything you need to know to make the most of yourself, and a very comprehensive section will supply you with information on how to select and apply makeup according to your particular coloring and skin type, on nourishing and cleansing creams, skin care and skin problems, hair care and hairstyles. A few minutes spent on our daily beauty routine will do wonders for your appearance. The fairy godmother who transformed Cinderella from a scullery maid into a beautiful princess has now taken on a scientific cloak, and every woman in her search for her true self should learn to utilize what the scientists, cosmeticians have put at her disposal. Thanks to the information contained in Woman's World, there will be no need for costly experiments, as you will know what suits you best and how to use it according to the occasion. Whether you are at business or at home, you owe it to your family, to your business associates, to your friends, to be your sparkling best at all times. Above all, you owe it to yourself.